In today's video, we're tackling a common issue in Okta when working with Active Directory. Imagine you're trying to confirm a user imported from Active Directory, and you encounter this error. App assignment attempted for user test user, but user is inactive. Status, inactive. This error means Okta is trying to link the Active Directory profile to an Okta account that's currently deactivated, because the settings in Okta are configured to not reactivate users who've been deactivated. To resolve this, you have two choices. You can either delete the deactivated Okta account to create a new one, or adjust the settings to reactivate deactivated Okta users. Let's start by logging into the Okta admin dashboard. Go to Directory and then Directory Integration. Choose your Active Directory from the list. Next, move to Provisioning and select To Okta. Here, scroll down to Profile and Lifecycle Sourcing section. Click on Edit. Here, look for the option Reactivate deactivated Okta users. Check the box next to it and then press Save. Now, head over to Import and find the test user. Select the user by ticking the box and then click on Confirm Assignment. When the pop-up window shows up, click Confirm. Finally, search for the test user again. You'll see that the user is now activated with a status of Pending. And there you have it, a quick guide to solving this Okta issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.